In this tutorial I will show you how to make chips mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Quick Selection tool. Select the area. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100%. Alt-press Create a clipping mask. Change the blending option to Multiply. Right-click, choose the blending option. Alt-press Move. Follow the process. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.